As always, don't forget to check the video description down below for the best price on parts and tools I use in today's video. Today, I have this Dodge. It's not a Dodge Caravan, it's a Chrysler Town Country. I'm going to show you how to check the automatic transmission fluid. This will be the same for like a Dodge Grand Caravan to check your automatic transmission fluid level. Let's check it out. Alright, so where is your automatic transmission fluid dipstick? It is going to be not that. That's the oil. It's going to be right here. It's this yellow little thing, and if we pull it out, we will see, and there's a process, so don't just finish watching the video, but you'll see right here, you got a different level. Come on, focus camera. It'll be cold and hot. You can, if the car's on level ground, just to get a general idea, you can use that cold level, and the dots are the actual indicator. The shaded area just kind of gives you an idea, but you can see you get your two cold dots, your two hot dots. And the way to check this one, a lot of cars, they'll have a funny way of checking it. It feels like it's like stand on your left foot, hop 3 times, and stick your finger in your ear. This one is actually not that bad. Basically what you're going to do is you're going to get in your car, go ahead, start it up, and get it to operating temperature. And I've already done this. I checked this one. This customer's car was like about a quart, maybe 2 quarts low. So you're going to go ahead and hop up in here, and I'll show you what happened to theirs. They said they went off a cliff. I was like, well, what does that mean? So go ahead and start it up, and you can see your temperature gauge. You're gonna want to get it close to about halfway. You get about that, that'd be fine. So what I did, just go ahead and rev the engine. You know, you could do it faster this way. Try and keep it about 2,000 RPMs for probably about 3, 4, 5 minutes. Just watch your temperature gauge. You just want to get your temperature gauge up, and that is operating temperature. The next thing you want to do, go ahead, put your foot on the brake, cycle through your gears. So reverse, drive. You just want to cycle through everything slowly, and then back to park. Let it shift back into park, and we are in park. So once you've done all that, leave the car running. The instructions say on level ground, running, and in park. So we've done all that, and at this point you would be able to just go over here, get you a little towel, get you a little paper towel, go ahead and pull your stick, wipe it clean, go ahead, stick it back in there, and then pull it back out, and then we're going to be checking the hot level. Okay, and let's see, we can see right there. So you want it to be between those 2 lines. And I just wiped mine clean and reinserted it, and there we go. So you can see is way, I mean, it should not be way down there below. So the hole is right there, it's all the way right there. That is definitely too low. So I would start, if it was that low, I'd start by adding a quart, get you a little funnel, add it right through there, and then check it again. Don't just keep adding, because if you add too much, it'll cause the same symptom as having too little. And the symptom is this thing does not want to shift into drive. And I'll show you their pan. So they had a leak, and this is what it looked like. That's what it looks like for them to have been hanging on a cliff, for what that means. So they've got some sort of leak. You look back here, you can see where it was forming a leak right there, and it actually, for a month, it worked fine. I also imagine that the pan is kind of smashed up against that transmission filter, or sometimes they got like a shower neck and a little screen. I imagine it's smashed up against there, and that's probably not helping either. But yeah, I would start with just 1 quart or half a quart, depending where you are on that line. I know for an old dipstick, typically all the way down is 1 quart, but transmissions carry a lot more fluid, so just keep that in mind when you're adding. And other than that, that's gonna be how you check your automatic transmission fluid in this Chrysler Town & Country 3.3. But the procedure will be the same for 3.8 or Dodge Grand Caravan or something like that. So anyways, that is it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all next time.
Please. Lucy Ashley. Where's Ashley?
You're recording, girl.